So, Mara, do you have just a few spare moments?
Yes, sorry. I know I've been behind on everything lately.
When you got a second, just go to Tools, Scripts, and click the Refresh CSS button for me.
Scripts, refresh CSS. Refreshing. All right.
There you go.
Yes. Yes. This is amazing.
Wait, do I get something similar?
Fun.
I wouldn't.
Refresh it.
I am your father.
It's the dance of the beans.
There, I have done my April
Yes!
Fool's
Yes!
I love it. That is amazing.
And
Oh,
yes, this is going to affect
Yep.
Time Twister and Eros and Dawn too.
Oh, good.
But the
Good,
ducks
good,
do
good,
it
good.
too! Oh my god!
Actually, yes. Actually, because you're using the base, it's going to affect your ducks too.
Yes!
Lord.
Oh my gosh!
So, so Zio, you're the only one who can say that you have flipped everyone's bird.
Yes.
God damn it. But technically you did it.
Well, then you can say that Davwyn flipped everyone's bird.
I fucking love it.
I'm enjoying this.
Oh god.
Wee!
I love it.
You're lucky. I'm watching the birds flip now.
It's great.
Dav flipped everybody's bird. Yep.
Oh, he did. It's great.
Well, I got a new quote today.